Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today is card day and we are making this ladybug card. A really easy card to make because if you watched me Sunday, I think I talked about it on Sunday that I am on call for jury duty. So we are doing some easy and fun cards. So this is what I'm sharing. It's a top fold card. I am using just basic white, and then the designer series paper I'm using is the Heart and Home. There is a In Good Taste, and it has also wood patterns on it if you don't have this one. This Heart and Home is so cute, and it's got all different kinds of wood patterns on here, and so does the In Good Taste. So if you haven't either one of those, you can use either one of those. And then I love the wood background on this little card. So who says ladybugs can't be whatever color you want? And I thought it'd be really fun to use. Our color palette is going to be the Mango Melody, Daffodil Delight, and the Polished Pink. So that is what we are using for this. Actually, I think I am using Melon Mambo. And well, this one's Polished Pink. I think I am using Melon Mambo this time though, because I did use all of the bright colors. But Melon Mambo is very close to the Polished Pink. So here's Melon Mambo and here's the Polished Pink. It's a little bit lighter. So whichever you want to do. This one is Polished Pink though. But I just grabbed the Brights colors because if you know me very well, you know I love the Brights collection. They're just so fun and cheerful. So this is what we're making. We are going to emboss the sentiment right here, and it's really fun. It says, "You can bug me anytime," and I thought this would be a really cute friend card. So that's what we're making. All right, so what you need for this is a top folding card. It's 4 1/4 by 11, and then you score it at 5 1/2 to get your top fold. Then we are going to mat it, and we are using this 3 3/4 by 5, the DSP, which is the Heart and Home that I said before. Then you need some scrap. Like I said, I'm using this time Melon Mambo, Mango Melody, and Daffodil Delight, and then a scrap of the basic white for the wings to stamp the wings. And then I'm also using our classic matte dots. I love these. They're so fun. And then you need a piece. This is so it'd be 1/2 by 2 inches, but I'm just going to cut it after I emboss it because it's easier to hold on to when you're embossing. And then you do need some vellum because I am using these also underneath the wings, and it just adds some really cute texture to it. All right, so first we're going to go ahead and mat this. I am using dimensionals to mat this, so let's go ahead and do that first, and then we'll do some stamping. And if you do send this in the mail, you might want to add some extra dimensionals, because sometimes going through the mail it does flatten your card out. It just depends how your mailman handles it, because I've had some go through and not have any problems, but then I've also seen it flatten out. All right, let's see, let's put it this way, and then just center it in the center here. And then we're going to go ahead and we are going to stamp the wings first. So I'll get my basic white and we'll go ahead and stamp the wings. So we are going to do one in Melon Mambo. And I should have gone the other way with this because the punch goes the other way. So let me go this way. So we'll do the Melon Mambo. I'm going to use my cloth here. I need to get my new one out. I do have a new one. This one's so dirty, but it works just fine. I've had it for a couple of years, but I do need to get another chamois out. I do have a replacement for it. All right, and then let's do the Mango Melody. And I'll probably have to cut each one of these when we do it, but I'm going to keep going down the line here. And then we're going to do a Daffodil Delight. I really like these colors together. Also the polished pink looks really cute with it as well. Alright, so let's do this one this way. And then we're going to use some Memento Black to do the little dots. And you're just going to line them up this way. And you're going to do each one. You can also do these with your Stampin' Right marker if you can't line them up very good, but this one seems to be pretty easy to line up. Alright. And if you do get where you have a little bit showing, just grab your Stampin' Right marker and you can fill that in. It's real easy to fill in. Just like that. I don't like the white showing, so that's why I'm... Alright. So now we're going to use our punch to punch these out. So I'll start with this one. It's the easiest. So I'm going to do that one. That is the Daffodil Delight one. And this one's going to be a little... Let's see if I can go in this way. Yeah, nope. Gotta go this way. And then we're going to do this one. That one I have to cut. I may end up liking the polished pink better. Maybe that's why I did do the polished pink. I did create this a couple days ago. I'm trying to stay ahead just in case I do get called for my jury duty, which I hope I'm not going to, because it is not close to my home and I hate the drive because it's usually like rush hour traffic. And all right, now we're going to do the bodies. So we are going to do one Daffodil Delight. That goes with this one. One Mango Melody. And then one of the Melon Mambo here. We'll see how these all look. Alright, then I'm going to do some wings with the vellum. So we're going to do 3 sets of these. Alright, so now we can put these all together. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to use some wet glue here. This is our... I'm just going to put glue at the top here, and I'm going to attach the vellum to that first. And I am leaving it just a little bit down. Let me show you here closer. Can you see the vellum that's showing there? It's so cute when it's showing. And then we'll just go ahead and add these wings to each one of these. That one is the Mango Melody. And then we'll do the same with the Daffodil Delight here. They're so cute. I love this set. It's so cute. If you haven't gotten this set yet, you need to get this one. It's really, really cute. And you can make bumblebees. I've seen so many different things made with it. It's so versatile. Alright, here's our last one. And we have all of our ladybugs ready to go. Now let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment and get that going. So I need my little embossing buddy here so it doesn't stick to the embossing. And we need some Versamark here and our sentiment. You can bug me anytime. And then our white emboss. This is why I like keeping it longer, because it's so good for holding on when you're embossing it. And then I'm going to grab my heat tool, and we are going to emboss this. Okay, so that's ready to go there. I'm just going to measure it at about 2 inches here. I'm going to cut it closer to the end here because it needs to be about 2 inches. See if I can straighten that out a little bit. Okay, there we go. All right, now we're ready to put it all together. Again, I'm going to use dimensionals to pop these up on here. And we are going to start at the ladybug on the top here. I think I'm going to like the polished pink better. I guess that's why I chose that when I originally did it, because it's a little brighter. I like the brightness of the other one. And this one's going to go this way. And then this one will go down here. And I want to fit this sentiment in here. So this will go fit right in here. And I don't want to cover, I'm going to move this one up a little bit. You have to kind of work with this because you don't want it to, you want the ladybugs to be kind of close together, and you don't want them to be outside of your designer series paper here. So let's put that down. Just like that. And then we're going to use our matte dots. And I like these matte dots because they kind of replicate the little spots on the ladybug. So we're going to use these basic black ones. I'm going to put a couple down here. And then we'll put a couple up at the top. Just like that. And it's done. It's still cute with the melon mambo though. It's so bright and cheerful, and I thought it'd be a perfect friend card. So here's the other one. This one is the polished pink. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. And it's a very easy card to make, and it's really a fun one. All right, everyone, if you need any supplies, this is the April Hostess code, and that is a new code for this month. So if you order, please use the Hostess code, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone.